Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by setting loadout and committing to the first roll. Pick a high DPS gun for quick kills and a precise shot for single-target minions. Equip a super that clears crowded squares or gives brief invulnerability. Once loaded, roll toward low-risk spaces to learn the board pattern. Parry every pink card as you pass to build meter, and eliminate small enemies quickly. Make sure to prioritize squares that let you skip bosses you struggle with, and keep movement tight to avoid chip damage. Once you hit the middle of the board, the real execution begins. You want to identify the 3 mini-boss types that give you the most trouble and approach each with a counter. Kite projectiles, parry pink attacks to open windows, and commit to burst DPS when their invulnerability ends. Maintain mobility, dash and jump to dodge predictable telegraphed attacks, while using parries to reset combos. Conserve your super for rooms with multiple enemies, and only spend EX attacks when you need to force a stagger or finish a dangerous. In the final duel, you need pattern discipline and patience. Expect alternating card volleys, a heavy charge stomp that leaves openings, and short teleports that reposition king dice. Time your parries on card waves to build super and avoid chip. After the charge, commit to a controlled burst while he recovers, then back off to reset positioning. If you keep losing, change weapon rolls, practice parry timing in simpler fights, or deliberately reroute the board on your next run to avoid the toughest mini-bosses and regain consistency.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.